Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix Gemini chat history missing or disappearing. So, if your Gemini chat history keeps disappearing, this video will show you how you can fix the problem step by step. Step number 1 is to open up Gemini app on your mobile device. And just like that, simply tap on your profile icon. Now scroll below, then tap on Gemini app activity. Now make sure Gemini app activity is turned on. If this is turned off, your chat history will not be saved. Now tap on deleting activity, and on this page make sure you select don't auto delete activity, then tap on next. Now confirm that you want to keep your activity until you delete it manually. Tap on confirm, and that completes step 1. Moving on to step 2, you need to go ahead and simply make sure the app is updated. Open up the App Store. Inside here, simply search for Gemini app. Once you search for it, simply tap onto it. And if you see update instead of open, tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. If the app keeps bugging, you can simply uninstall the application and reinstall it. This usually fixes issue where the Gemini chat goes missing or disappears. That's it, your Gemini chat history should now stay saved properly. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.